OMG! You won't believe these 5 shocking dinner hacks that melt fat while you sleep. Foodies and health nuts, get ready for the weight loss revolution you've been waiting for. We're about to blow your mind with the most insane, mouth-watering recipes that'll have you shedding pounds faster than you can say seconds, please. From a magical cabbage soup that practically erases calories, to a secret paneer dish that'll make your taste buds dance and your waistline shrink, we've got it all. But wait, there's more. We're unveiling a mysterious grain that celebrities are using to stay slim. Hint, it's not quinoa. You'll be shocked when you see how these easy dinners transform your body overnight. Grab your aprons and prepare for the tastiest weight loss journey of your life. These recipes are so good, it should be illegal. Don't miss out on the dinner revolution that's taking the internet by storm. Let's cook up a storm and watch those pounds melt away. First up, let's talk about the ultimate slimming superstar, cabbage soup for weight loss. Now, I know what you're thinking, cabbage soup? Really? But trust me, this isn't your grandma's bland, boiled cabbage. We're going to transform this humble vegetable into a flavor-packed, satisfying meal that'll keep you full and help you lose weight. Did you know that cabbage is incredibly low in calories, but high in fiber and nutrients? It's like nature's secret weapon for weight loss. Let's whip up a quick and easy cabbage soup that'll become your new go-to-healthy dinner idea for weight loss. Here's a fun fact, cabbage belongs to the same family as broccoli and kale. Who knew these superfoods were all cousins? Now, let's get quizzy. Can you guess how many calories are in a cup of chopped cabbage? Take a moment to think. Got your answer? It's only 22 calories. That's right, you could eat a whole head of cabbage and still consume fewer calories than a single slice of pizza. Talk about a weight loss dinner winner. Moving on to our next weight loss dinner recipe, let's give a warm welcome to the protein powerhouse, paneer. For those of you who might not be familiar, paneer is a type of fresh cheese that's popular in Indian cuisine. It's packed with protein, which is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass, a key factor in boosting your metabolism and aiding weight loss. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and can absorb flavors like a sponge, making it perfect for creating exciting and satisfying weight loss dinner recipes. Let's start with a mouth-watering grilled paneer skewer recipe. Picture this, chunks of paneer marinated in a blend of yogurt and spices, threaded onto skewers with colorful bell peppers and onions, then grilled to perfection. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited, except the extra calories, they're not on the guest list. And for those nights when you're short on time, but still want a healthy dinner idea for weight loss, how about a quick paneer bhurji? It's basically scrambled paneer with vegetables, and it's ready in minutes. Talk about a weight loss dinner that doesn't compromise on taste or convenience. Now, let me introduce you to the unexpected weight loss superfood that's about to rock your world, Dalia. What's Dalia, you ask? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. Dalia, also known as broken wheat or bulgur, is a whole grain that's packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. It's like the undercover agent of the weight loss world. It doesn't get as much attention as quinoa or oats, but it's just as effective in helping you shed those pounds. Let's create a simple Dalia recipe for weight loss that'll make you wonder why you haven't been eating this all along. We'll cook the Dalia with a medley of colorful vegetables and aromatic spices, creating a dish that's not only good for your waistline but also a feast for your eyes. And here's a little secret, adding a squeeze of lemon juice at the end not only brightens the flavors, but also helps your body absorb the iron from the vegetables better. It's like a double whammy of health benefits. Speaking of vegetables, let's talk about how to create veggie-loaded dinner ideas for effortless weight loss. Vegetables are the unsung heroes of any weight loss dinner. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function at its best. Plus, they add volume to your meals, helping you feel full and satisfied without overloading on calories. Here's a fun challenge for you, try to make half of your dinner plate consist of vegetables. It's easier than you think. For example, let's whip up some zucchini noodles with tomato sauce. It's a low-carb twist on traditional pasta that's so delicious, you won't even miss the real thing. And for those of you who love rice, but are watching your carb intake, cauliflower rice stir-fry is about to become your new best friend. It's a veggie-packed powerhouse that's perfect for any weight loss dinner menu. Now, let's put it all together and create a weekly weight loss dinner plan that's both delicious and effective. The key to success is variety. You don't want to get bored with your meals, or you'll be more likely to fall off the wagon. Mix and match these recipes throughout the week, and don't be afraid to get creative. Remember, the best weight loss dinner is one that you actually enjoy eating. Here's a pro tip for meal prep: spend an hour or two on the weekend preparing ingredients for the week ahead. Chop vegetables, cook a big batch of Dalia, or marinate some Paneer. This way, when you come home tired after a long day, you'll have healthy dinner ideas for weight loss ready to go. It's like your future self is giving you a high five. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that losing weight doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor or satisfaction. These weight loss dinner recipes are proof that healthy eating can be delicious and exciting. And speaking of exciting, I've got a special treat for you. Our sponsor, Byte Shop, is offering amazing deals on kitchen gadgets that'll make creating these weight loss dinners even easier. From air fryers to food processors, they've got everything you need to kickstart your healthy cooking journey. And here's the cherry on top: use code WELCOME10 for 10% off your purchase. Trust me, your wallet will thank you almost as much as your waistline. So there you have it, folks, 5 easy weight loss dinner recipes that prove healthy eating can be both nutritious and delicious. From slimming cabbage soup to protein-packed Paneer dishes, surprising Dalia recipes, and veggie-loaded dinner ideas, we've covered all the bases for your weight loss journey. Remember, the key to successful weight loss is finding meals you genuinely enjoy eating. So experiment with these recipes, make them your own, and most importantly, have fun in the kitchen. Don't forget to give these healthy dinner ideas for weight loss a try and share your results in the comments below. I'd love to hear how these weight loss dinner recipes work for you. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more healthy eating tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Until next time, happy cooking, and here's to your health.